Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do 2 high puffs on my hair. As you can see in this clip, this is the after, and I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are staying safe and washing your hands. So this style was inspired by some lady on YouTube. I will just put her picture next to mine. Oh, my parting is not that great, but we're just doing it for the gram. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get straight into it. So as you can see, my hair is going through the most, but we are going to fix that. I'm just fluffing out my hair. I had straightened my hair prior to this video, so I just needed to stretch it out so that there won't be any pieces left behind. So as you can see, I'm just tying up my hair so that I can section off the part that I'm going to start blow drying. So I just leave the blow dryer on and stretch it throughout my hair so that I get more length, and then I'll just be doing that around the perimeter of my hair from the back and in the front. As you can see, I'm sectioning off my hair in the front. I'm also going to just blow dry the tops of my hair so that the ends cannot be so knotty. Then I just used a rat tail comb just to create a parting. Even though at the back it wasn't so straight, but that doesn't really matter because, you know, we're just doing it for pictures in the front, and anyways, since we're staying at home, no one's really gonna see it. So as I'm separating my hair, I'm just combing through so that I can put my hair in a bun to the side. I'm also taking out some baby hairs and sideburns just to make sure that, you know, this hair looks snatched AF. So as you can see, I'm just tying my hair as tight as possible so that this hairstyle doesn't come out. But as you can see, my hair is very thick. It is guaranteed that it is going to stay in place. Then I'm going to do the other side by taking out sideburns and then some few baby hairs just so that I can lay it a bit. And then I'm going to comb around it so that it can look straight and properly combed, and there may be no bumps and stuff. Use another hair tie to tie that up, and I try to tie it very tightly so that it does not move. I've sped up this process because I feel like you'll be able to see what's going on. This is just a simple stay-at-home or Instagram picture or whatever you want. It's very simple, doesn't really need too much explaining. Just tie my hair into ponytails, and then I'm going to just curl it a bit using a straightener, and thereafter I'm going to pin it together so that it looks great. So as you can see, I'm just tightening the hair so that, you know, there shouldn't be any bumps or anything that will make the buns look weird. So as you can see, I have just straightened my hair, and now I'm going to be using bobby pins to pin down this look so that it looks like somewhat rounded but with volume and texture. I don't want it to look so dull or neat. I want it to look like a messy but very perfect bun. So I'm just pinning my hair all around, just making sure that, you know, it looks kind of even, and it also looks quite nice and neat, but in a messy way, if you get what I'm saying. So I just decided to curl the sideburns, a little bit of my edges as well, just to, I don't know why I curl the edges, but you know, just for the sake of doing it. Then after that, I'm using the olive oil just to coat my hair so that it doesn't look so dry and dull. And then I'm also going to go in with the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel just to snatch my edges, but very lightly. I'm not the type to try and do swoops until I fall down, but you know, just lightly to, you know, give my hair some kind of styling. After that, as you can see, I'm pretty much done with this look. I'm just fixing my hair with a few more bobby pins just so that it looks kind of even and it looks nice. So just checking myself with my phone just to make sure that everything is looking great. But don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, share this video, and make sure that you stay safe, wash your hands and enjoy the video.